In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords and Accounts. Now tap on this gear next to Google and access Google Password Manager right away. Now tap on Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually from here. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any website or any app that requires an account. And after you do, hit Save in Password Manager pop-up. This way, your first password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one by hitting Add Password. To do it now, tap on Add Password and input all of those informations, starting with a website at the top, or by tapping on Select App, any app from your smartphone. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!